In this second Ask MAG video, Michael Armstrong, MAG's National Political Officer and Regional Rep for Cumbria, shows us how you can use a MAG rally to help you to lobby your local politicians. Ian Paisley told us in the first Ask MAG video that politicians are always keen to get a photo opportunity.
Also maybe that something that offers what I would call a wee bit of frill in terms of there's a photo opportunity in this.
Inviting your local MP to your local MAG rally is the perfect opportunity.
Hello, Mark. Please see
you again, Michael.
It's great for you to come down. Simon,
hello.
Nice
Good
to see you
again. Thanks for having me.
Yes. Hello, Nick. I'll take it. The Mayor of Dalton. You are regular to our Dead End Rally. It's great to see you again on another year. So we must have done something right to get you down here.
Yeah, it's taken me probably the best part of 2 hours to get down here this morning, because I know that my life wouldn't be worth living if I didn't come today, as you're one of my constituents and a regular correspondent. I think you invited me was it last year? And I wasn't able to come, so I said that I would come down this year. Made an effort to get down here today.
And on behalf of Cumbria MAG, we thank you. You're here a second time, so thank you very much for turning up. Now, for benefit for other MAG regions, what did Cumbria MAG do to get you to convince you to come back here a second time?
Well, I'll tell you what, the number one thing is you are very, very good at pestering. So,
but I can't pester you because I'm not your constituents, but I do have a couple of friends.
But you do represent many of my constituents, and that's the thing. So you send me lots of emails, you subscribe me to the magazine, which I do actually read, believe it or not, and you put on this great event. So when you invite me down, you get to get me along to pick the best bike. Why could I possibly say no to that?
And I would like to thank you for that reminder that we signed you up to being a MAG member at the rally last year. So you've had it 12 months, and they'll probably try and get you to re-sign up again. One was that one. Yeah. Gary?
They call Harleys by the engine, so that's called the shovel head because the head looks looking like an alternate shovel.
But yeah, pick any bike, but
pick this one.
But I just thought I'd narrow it down for you. We're here to have a look at the bikes. I haven't seen an electric bike around here because all the bikes here are internal combustion engines. Do you think the government will have a rethink on that, or where do you think the government is being forced? What are your views on the proposed mandate of saying a certain percentage will be electric vehicles and that keep on increasing up to 2030? So, speaking as a MAG representative and a voter, I would prefer the government to come with more carrots than stick. But that's me as a voter, and that's what I'll be thinking when I cast my vote. If the government wanted me to have a zero emissions motorcycle, it has to be better than what I've currently got. I don't want to go back. Now we are talking about rural issues. The landscape review, there was a consultation about 18 months ago. The government hasn't released the full report on that consultation. Have you any ideas of any updates on that? Yeah. So now the motorcycles come here once a year for this weekend, but to get motorcycles to keep coming throughout the year, we've asked for designated secure motorcycle parks, because any motorcyclist wants the security to know when they've parked up their bike that it's still there when they come back to it. So can you give me an update on where Dalton Council's going?
Well, you approached me last year.
Currently we're doing a national campaign called Resurface Our Roads. Do you think potholes are a problem in Cumbria, and what is the solution?
Right. I don't want to speak for Mark, but potholes are right at the top of my inbox.
Now, it's called the Future of Transport consultation, but it comes in a little disguise called anti-tampering. That's how we describe it. They want to add new technology onto brand new bikes, I understand that. And you can't tamper with new technology, so I understand that. But how the consultation was worded and how it was written, it meant you buy a standard bike from the sales room and you can't do anything with it. Now, I want to show you these footrests have been extended out. Just to summarise, this is the essence of this meeting. I know I've invited you down to look at some motorbikes and we'll have a good crack, but it's all about political engagement. Me as a voter.
Rather than saying we get dropped, what you should be saying, we discuss politics.